Hey guys, Panzer J back here in Operation 20 Core. We're up to Germany turn 4.1. It's January of 1938. So let's get right into purchases. We have 24 IPP to spend, and we're spending all of it. We're going to go with a self-propelled artillery for 5, a light armor for 4, that's 9, 3 cavalry for 9, that's 18, and 2 paratroopers for 6, that's 24. For tech rolls, we are going to try for airborne doctrine, a 7 or higher, and that's at stage 1. And then we're going to go for jets, advanced subs, and heavy armor, all at 8s, and none of them are on the board. Okay, so let's try for airborne doctrine first at a 7. A 7 does succeed. Jets at an 8. An 8 does succeed. Subs at an 8. A 5 we miss. I think we're 0 for 3 or 4 with subs, maybe 4. And heavy armor at an 8. 3 we miss. So 2 out of 4 again. So we go to stage 2 for airborne doctrine. And then we'll put jets on the board. Okay. So tech's not looking too bad. Okay, we have no combat this turn, not even in Spain, so it's going to be all non-combat. So let's start out here in Spain, I guess, since I'm right here. We've got a cavalry in Western Andalusia. It's going to move into Madrid. And so is the cavalry from Galicia and Leon. Both of those cavalry there go into Madrid. And that is it in Spain. How about for Germany? This coastal sub in A21 is going to come over 1 to A20. The fleet sub in A11, 1, 2, 3, 4. And join those 4 subs there in A28. We have a battle cruiser over here in the Suez. So that's going to go from I5. It's just going to come down 1 and join that Italian sub there in I4. Let's see. How about in Europe? I don't think there's a whole lot. As a matter of fact, we might only have 1. So this fighter, this newly acquired fighter we got last turn in Slovakia, is going to fly 1, 2, 3 to West Germany. And I believe that's it. So how about unit placement? So we've got a light armor and a self-propelled artillery. Both go down on the card here in West Germany. Everything else is... I just knocked over one of my cavalry. Everything else is Bavaria. So 3 more cav and our 2 airborne for Bavaria. And that should be it. So for income, we spent everything we had, and we're collecting 24, so that's what we'll have next turn. How about a recruitment roll before I do a unit recap? So we've got, what, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 territories. So let's see what we can get. 4, we finally succeed again. So how about we add an infantry to Madrid? Okay, so while we're here in Spain, unit disposition, we've got a militia in Galicia and Leon. We have a militia in Western Andalusia. We have a heavy cruiser in port in Western Andalusia. In Eastern Andalusia, we have a mountain infantry. In Madrid, we have 2 infantry, 2 artillery, and is that 4 cavalry. Let's see, what else? That's it for Spain. For Germany, we have 5 fleet submarines in A28. We have a coastal sub in A20. We've got our battle cruiser over there in, what is that, I4. And in Germany itself, only 2 territories changed. So in Bavaria, we have an air transport, 1 mountain infantry, 2 paratroopers, and 6 cavalry. And in West Germany, we have a seaplane, 3 fighters, 2 artillery, 2 infantry, 2 cavalry, 4 light armor, and 4 self-propelled artillery. So that should be it for Germany here on turn 4.1. Turning things over now to Silk and Sergeant Shellhole for the Soviet Union and the CCP.